Alright guys, just a quick video here. So I've been cleaning up around the my work area here, trying to clean out some radios and give some radios away. Just trying to basically clean up around here and organize it a little better because it's getting a little tight in here. But I thought I would show a couple of radios, well, a few radios I have available. Maybe somebody is looking to have something built, but they don't have a radio or are not sure, maybe purchasing one on eBay or something like that. Maybe they're not, too confident in what they're getting. I thought I'd show what I have. If somebody is looking to build something, these radios actually are available. They're great cores. They don't need much work or any work at all, really. But I can do something here for you. So I have a Cobra 150 GTL DX. Actually, I have two of these. If somebody is looking to have something done, or if you're looking for one, it's a good working unit. The night watch does not work on this one, but you can get a custom-made decal for the front of that, and it actually looks nice. And anybody who knows these radios, they are really good transmitting radios. You have AM, FM, the 4 bands. You have high power, low power switch, a 10 kilohertz jump. You also have talk back and echo. And yeah, it's just a really good radio. So this one here, Uniden 980 SSB, awesome radio. I just had a screen put in this from Uniden. They wouldn't sell me a screen to put in them, and anybody knows these Unidens are they suffer from dimming screens. But this one is brand spanking new. It's only a few months old, and it's only been powered on for a few minutes now. So if somebody's looking for a good Uniden 980 SSB, let me know. Of course, I can always put in, I have 3 RFX 95 amps here, so any one of these radios can be fitted with that. I got a PC78 LTW fully working, PC78 Elite, what an awesome radio that is. An LTD Classic. So this one here is this is the one I actually took the night watch out of it, and was going to put a this one's going to actually get a echo and an RFX kit as well in this amp. Down here, this was a takeout from a truck, brand new. So this is a almost brand new. This is the one with the FM. You can see down there, FM. You just push that for FM. Someone's looking to have one of those done. So these are all here, all available, good cores. And I have this one here. Another 150 GTL DX. This one's kind of a unicorn because the night watch still works on this one. Crazy. Yeah, it's fully illuminated. So this is like a unicorn of Cobra 150 GTL DXs. Obviously same thing like the other one, except this one actually, the night watch actually works on this one. So that's super cool. But I have a couple of more radios. I have a bunch of base units. If somebody's looking for, I don't know, whatever, let me know if there's something you guys want. But these here are readily available, ready to be modified in any way you want. So, yeah, let me know. Send me an email. And some more radios. So Midland 79 892. So this is the one with the correct mic. The mic has the clarifier. This is a sideband 40 channel radio. It's this is probably one of the better of the Midland, the Cybernet chassis. Got a RCA Copilot 14T270, again a Cybernet chassis, super cool AM radio. Another Cybernet chassis, JCPenney 6218, really good sounding radio. Cobra 132 XLR, I hate that radio. Cobra 140 GTL, Cobra 146 GTL. So all these radios work. This is the Teaberry section. Got a Teaberry Stalker 5, Teaberry T-Bear, and a Stalker 202. This is the 858 sideband chassis. a little bit of an oddball, Colt Black Shadow, and President Zachary T. So if you guys are interested in any of these radios, I know there's a lot of Teaberry fans out there. These are super cool bases if you're a Teaberry collector. This one here is a little banged up, but it's still a nice radio. Yeah, I know there's people out there. I know that there's like huge Royce collectors and Teaberry collectors. I know a couple of people that collect or try to collect every single Teaberry ever made and every single Royce ever made. I only own one Royce. I don't particularly care for them. I don't particularly care for working on them either. But I do own one new old stock, but that's not for sale. But yeah, anything you see here, any of these radios, I'm cleaning up. And if you're interested, let me know. All right. Thanks for watching.